We're having a great time with the kids and with the staff for Muskie S.P.A.R.K. We're really excited about just being able to provide students with such an incredible opportunity, surrounding them with so many wonderful things that it just seems like they hate to leave each day. So we're really having a wonderful time.
Yeah, so in the afternoons, the classes are really focused on hands-on enrichment, learning, teamwork sort of opportunities, and in many of the classes we have community organizations that are pushing in. Musser Public Library is teaching a class to kindergartners all about bridges. The Y is doing a sports-like camp with fourth graders. Muscatine Community College is doing career exploration and goal setting with all the fifth and sixth graders. Muscatine County Conservation is dropping in and doing all sorts of great animal and science experiment stuff with I think just about every grade level. And then we have the Art Center.
We spark an interest where they're like, school's fun. I want to come to school. So then all of a sudden, they're not, they come every day, they start to learn more, and all of a sudden they can get to the high school and we start talking about careers and we start asking questions like, what do you want to be? And they can say, hey, I tried this. And we can start to eliminate or even open their minds to things that they've never thought of. We have a lot of kids that are doing STEM activities that may not have ever had an opportunity to do it. And I always look at it this way. There's over 400 plus kids here in the S.P.A.R.K, and that any one of them could be inventing something that I may buy someday and I would be proud of. And so those are the things that we want to do. We want to push kids' imagination. We want to look at their critical skills. And we also want them to say, hey, here's something to try. Let's go outside the box. I've never done it. It's fun. And in the end, they can come back and go home, tonight or at the end of the summer going, I had a lot of fun learning.
Absolutely. It's really important for us to be involved in these programs because we want to do as much outreach as possible. We want the community to know that Muscatine Community College is here for everyone. It's here for youth, it's here for adults, it's here for high school students. We are here to serve the community and serve the surrounding communities in whatever way possible. If we can do some outreach to our youth and just let them know that we're here for degrees, for short-term training, for continuing education, that is all part of our mission and our goals for our institution.
Musser Public Library was really happy to be invited to be part of this whole venture this summer because we feel like we're all about education as well, even though it's in a slightly different way than the schools are. So we were really delighted to be asked and to be part of it. So what we're doing is a bridge project, a project about our bridges in Muscatine, the Norbert F. Becky Bridge, as well as we're going to introduce kids to the old High Bridge that is no longer here. If you go down to the riverfront, you can see the pillars that once supported the bridge. And we're doing all sorts of bridge activities. We've done bridge building so far with Legos and with clay and popsicle sticks, and we did with red Solo cups and paper. That was actually a really good one.
And today what we'd like to do is we'd like to recap all the things that we've learned last week. It's been a long 4-day weekend, and we'd like to go over all that and kind of take what we've learned and have them be contractors and design on paper their own bridge and then have to sell their bridge and why their bridge is better than maybe some other bridges. Using all the different things that we've learned through the physical bridge building we've done last week.
I thought it was a great opportunity to finally start my silver cord after not having a lot of silver cord my freshman or sophomore year. And I felt like what my future career wants to pertain to, or what I want to get into in the future, this would be a great start for it.
It was really critical for us to be able to make sure they have the skills that they need to go into the upcoming school year. So that really was the priority for this year and planning. But what we also wanted to recognize was that students need something that's really enriching and engaging, kind of a hook, if you will, that'll draw them in each day. And so I think one of the things that we've recognized with the programming this year is we've been able to accomplish that. The kids are getting out of their cars and running into the building, excited to start their day, looking forward to picking up where they left off the previous day. And that, again, is really, it's a testament to the amount of work and effort that the teachers have put into developing an engaging curriculum. It's the partnerships with our community partners that Kim was mentioning that have really got us in a great place. So we're really excited to see this continue to grow and become something that our community can be proud of.